Well, good morning. It's Crazy Cheap Chick, and today I am going to make some dog food. I am just sick and tired of paying $30, $40, $50 for a bag of dog food, and I don't even think it's that healthy. I think I can make healthier and less expensive dog food. Plus, my dog is super picky, so let's make some dog food. Look at the prices on some of this dog food. It's getting outrageous. This is crazy. 50 bucks? 30 bucks? $44.99, $47.99. I think we can do better. $55.99, $26.99, $27.99. That's about this is what I think I've been buying. So $27.99. I'm gonna start just by cooking some red beans and rice. I got these off a clearance rack for about 50 cents a package, and I have a whole bunch of them. So I'm gonna cook this. I'm also gonna add in some chopped carrots. And I'm gonna add in a can of small peas. Gonna add in some sweet potatoes. Added a little bit of tomato, but that was by accident, but it'll be fine. And I threw in a little bit of broccoli. Let's stir that in. My husband walked through and he's like, "Oh, that smells good." Like it's dog food. And the last thing I'm adding is some chicken that I've had in the freezer that we've not eaten, and it's getting kind of old, so I think we'll throw that in there too, because you want to have protein, and we've got protein because we've got the chicken and the red beans that are in there. We've got lots of vegetables. Now, I may have to go to my vet and see about getting some dog vitamins. I don't know. To me, I've even kind of quit taking vitamins because I know I eat so healthy. If you eat healthy, do you really need vitamins? But I am going to check with my vet on that. And I'm going to put a little bit of seasonal in there, not a lot. But you know, dogs don't have a very refined sense of taste from what I understand. I mean, think about what a dog in the wild eats, you know. You couldn't have really strong taste buds or you couldn't stomach it. But in this case, we'll season it up just a little bit. Thinking that looks pretty good. I think it should probably be good refrigerated for about 5 or 7 days. I'm gonna put it in a container, give her about a cup a day, and then continue to feed her dog food about a cup a day, or half a cup. She's a pretty small dog. And see how this goes over. Well, this is going to be the real test. Does the dog like it? Are you ready to try it? Are you ready? How's it smell? How's it smell? Okay, I'm going to put it down for you. How is it? Taste okay? Hey, Sparky. Hey, Sparky. Sparky, how is it? Do you like it? Sparky, is it good? I want to take that as an enthusiastic yes. You ate it all. There is no more. Go back for a lick, but it's empty. Well, as you can see, that dog food was a hit. I could not believe how much my dog loved it. And it took me hardly any time at all. to make it. I mean, maybe 15 minutes, and that's a week's worth of food. And I know sometimes people will say things like, well, my time's worth something. I don't have time to do stuff like that. Well, do you have time to work 2 hours to buy the dog food? Because if you make 25 bucks an hour, it's going to take you 2 hours to make the money to buy the dog food. So why not just spend an hour making it? You're going to save money, and it really doesn't take that much time. My dog loved it. I think it was healthier, and my dog's super picky. So if she likes it, I think almost any dog would like it. So thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. If you got anything out of it, give me a like, a thumbs up, comment, or best yet, subscribe. That helps me out so much when people subscribe. And I hope you and your dog have a wonderful day.